Hello there, welcome to this Shona tutorial where we'll be teaching you how to use the phrases I don't like and I don't want in Shona sentences. Stay tuned. So we're gonna jump straight into it. We're going to start with the phrase I don't like, and we will teach you how to use the phrase I don't like in Shona and also how to use it to construct or in example Shona sentences. Okay, so I don't like in Shona becomes the word or a single word which is handifariri. 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 I don't like becomes a single word which is handifariri. Let's use this word in example sentences so that you can get a better understanding of how to use it in Shona. So we're gonna start with I don't like you. In Shona it becomes handifariri iwewe. You, it's iwewe. Sometimes it's just you is just iwe, so it can be handifariri iwewe or it can be handifariri iwe, and then you leave out the last we here. So it can be handifariri, which is I don't like, iwewe, which is you, or handifariri, which is I don't like, you, which can also be iwe. Handifariri iwewe or handifariri iwe. Going to the next sentence, I don't like food. In Shona it becomes handifariri chikafu. Handifariri chikafu. I don't like, which is handifariri food. In Shona it's chikafu. Chikafu. So I don't like food becomes handifariri chikafu. Going on, I don't like bathing. In Shona it becomes handifariri kugeza. Handifariri kugeza. I don't like, which is handifariri bathing. In Shona it's kugeza. Kugeza. Handifariri kugeza. Moving on. Now, if we replace the I with a specific person's name, and then I don't like now becomes let's say if your name is Tendai. Let's say for this example, Tendai doesn't like fish. So now we have replaced the I in the previous, the I here with a specific person's name, so that we are now referring to a specific person. So in that case, so like for example, Tendai doesn't like fish. This becomes Tendai haafariri hove. So haafariri, that's this portion which is doesn't like if we are referring to a person. Tendai doesn't like, Tendai haafariri fish, which is hove in Shona. Tendai haafariri hove. Going on to another example, Peter doesn't like Tasha. In Shona this becomes Peter haafariri Tasha. Peter doesn't like, Peter haafariri. Doesn't like becomes haafariri Tasha. Okay, I hope that's it's understandable. So now moving on to the next phrase that we're going to teach you, which is I don't want. I don't want gets translated to the single word handidi in Shona. In Shona it's handidi. Handidi. That's I don't want. So let's use I don't want or handidi in Shona sentences. I don't want water. In Shona it becomes handidi mvura. Handidi, which is I don't want. Water, which is mvura in Shona. So handidi mvura. Moving on. I don't want to talk with you. In Shona, this becomes handidi, which is I don't want. Kutaura, which is to talk. Newe, which is with you. So I don't want to talk with you becomes handidi kutaura newe. I don't want, which is handidi, to talk, which is kutaura in Shona, with you, which is newe in Shona. Handidi kutaura newe. Moving on. I don't want your money. In Shona, this becomes handidi mari yako. Handidi, which is I don't want. Your money, which is mari yako. Mari yako, which is your money. Money in Shona, it's mari. Yako is like you're pointing that it's your money. It's your. So in Shona, it becomes handidi mari yako. Your money, it's mari yako. Okay. Now moving on again. Now using a specific person's name. So for example, in this sentence, Tendai doesn't want water. Tendai haadi mvura. So doesn't want, it's haadi. Haadi. Tendai haadi mvura. Haadi, which is doesn't want. Water, which is mvura. Mvura. Tendai haadi mvura. Okay, moving on. John doesn't want to sing. In Shona, this becomes John haadi kuimba. John haadi kuimba. Doesn't want haadi to sing, which is kuimba. John haadi kuimba. To sing is kuimba in Shona. So now this brings us to the quiz time, and today's or this tutorial's quiz question is, can you translate this sentence to Shona? I don't want to eat. You can quickly pause this video and try it out yourself and then play back and see the answer. Okay, so the answer for this question, I don't want to eat. In Shona, it becomes handidi kudya. Handidi kudya. I don't want, which is handidi. To eat, which is one word in Shona, kudya. That is to eat, kudya. Handidi kudya. Did you get this question right? Please let me know in the comment section down below if you got this question right or not. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Ndatenda. Thank you.